Hello friends, cost accounting it provides an information for the management account as well as the financial accounting. So it plays a very important role in providing the information to both the departments of accounting, that is management as well as the financial accounting. It also measures and reports from the financial and non-financial data. So it are actually measures and reports from the financial as well as the non-financial data. So, what is as far as the financial accounting is concerned, it actually measures and records the business transactions and provides financial statements that are basically derived on the basis of the GAAP, that is generally accepted accounting principles. So, managers are responsible for that financial statements, which are actually issued to investors, government regulators, and other which are outside parties of the organization. So it is basically what the financial accounting part plays. Now financial accounting also focuses on the external parties. Financial accounting also report what has happened in the past. So these are the roles of the financial accounting is concerned. As far as the financial accounting is concerned, these are the roles of financial accounting. Now, what is the introduction to the cost terms? Now, cost and cost objects will be cost and cost objects. Cost is nothing but a resource which is sacrificed or foregone in order to achieve specific objective. So, some specific objective is there. For example, if you want to manufacture pen, then that is your objective, and the cost is nothing but the resource which is sacrificed, resource in the form of money, in the form of manpower, which is sacrificed or foregone in order to achieve some specific objective. Now what is cost object? Cost object is nothing but any kind of product, any kind of machine, any kind of service or a process for which the cost information is accumulated. So as far as the object is concerned, you can take any product which can be are available. For example, projector is a product, laptop is a product, or you say toothpaste is your product. Any kind of machines basically CNC machines, or lot of variety of machines are available. Services, for example, servicing a vehicle, or any kind of services which are available. For example, hospital is a service, hospitality, or hospitals is a service, or aeroplanes, they do provide service for passengers. So these are kind of services for which the cost information is accumulated. Now cost object can vary in size from the entire company to the division or program within the company, or down to a single product or service. So it depends on what object you are choosing. So object is nothing but a specific, it can be a specific set of things also, or it can be a singular object also. For example, if you are thinking of only single product, then it can be a single object. If you are thinking of variety of project, then that can be a different object. If you are taking object as a company, that can be also object. If you are taking a single product, that can be an object. If you are taking multiple kind of services, that can also be objects. So these are nothing but the cost objects. So we'll take direct and indirect cost in the upcoming slide to come.